So what do you need to have and what do you need to know to participate in this course? First things first, what level of experience will you need? You will need to have intermediate level computer skills. That is, you will need to have a decent understanding of how computers run and how networks operate. There should be nothing too difficult in this course, as long as you are quite familiar with computer systems and networks. You will also need to have a broadband internet connection with enough data to be able to allow backups to occur. The amount of data you need on your plan will totally depend on how much data you will be transferring between your two NAS devices. You will also need a second physical location that will allow you to store your data off-site as a backup. Of course, if you do not have a second location, you can still create your own personal cloud storage, but you will not be able to have your own off-site backups controlled by yourself without using an alternative destination. You could, however, subscribe to a third-party cloud storage like AWS, Google, or Microsoft and back up to there, ensuring that the backups are encrypted and only you have the keys. Synology allows you to do this. This, however, puts some of the reliance of your data back onto a third party, which is what we're trying to alleviate by taking on the task ourselves. But it is still better than not having your own remote NAS. Having an encrypted backup at a third party will cost you money, but at least it would allow you to have some sort of offsite backup for if your local NAS was stolen or destroyed. You would need to watch your hosting costs very carefully, as backups can be quite large. I will briefly demonstrate how to back up to a third-party cloud hosting provider during the course, but this is not the purpose of the course. Note also that if you use a third-party cloud storage provider, you will most likely lose the ability to control the country and will not be able to control the location that your data is being stored in. I would still recommend a second NAS device at a second location, if you can at all arrange that. It would mean that your dependence on a third-party storage provider can be removed, and that you know where your data is located and know that it is under your control and protection. If you are a person that is new to this sort of thing, you'll need to be willing to learn as you go, and realize that sometimes things don't always go quite right when it comes to technology. I will be available to give you some basic help or pointers through Udemy's messaging system if you have any trouble with this. Or you can ask others who have completed this course for help, should they make themselves available.